GATE 2015 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 29. Consider the following complex function f of z equals 9 by z minus 1 z plus 2 whole square. Which of the following is one of the residues of the above function? The given options are A minus 1, B 9 by 16, C 2 and D 9. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. So if we are given a complex function f of z, it can be expanded and written in the form of b naught by z minus z1 plus b1 by z minus z2 plus b2 by z minus z3 whole square, and so on. It can be expanded. So these coefficients b0, b1 and b2, these are called the residues of the complex function for the specific pole of z minus z3 or z minus z2 as the case be. In order to find these, let us say the residue of the function at f of a, where a will be these terms, the roots. It will be given by 1 by n minus 1 whole factorial, where n is the order of the pole, dn minus 1 by dz of n minus 1 into z minus a to the power n into f of z. So once we use this formula, we will obtain the residue of the function f of z at the pole a, where the order of the pole is n. So in this case we have been given this complex function and we need to find its residue. So here we can see that the poles are 1 and minus 2. Poles are obtained by equating the denominator to 0. So here if we equate to 0, we will get z equals 1 and z plus 2 equals 0. That would become z equals minus 2. So firstly we will do it for f of minus 2. So this would give us 1 by n minus 1 whole factorial. So for the order of minus 2, it is 2. So this would become 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial into d of 2 minus 1, that would be 1, dz of 1 into z plus 2 whole square into f of z. This would become 1 by 1 factorial d by dz of 9 by z minus 1. So this would become z minus 1 into the differentiation of 9, that would be 0, minus 9 into the differentiation of z minus 1, that would be 1, divided by z minus 1 whole square. On substituting the value of z equals minus 2, we would get minus 9 by minus 3 whole square. So this would become minus 1. So one of the residues of the function is minus 1. Now we will find the residue for f of 1. So that would become 1 by n minus 1 whole factorial, so that would be 0 factorial into d of 0 by dz of 0. So we don't need to differentiate in this case. It would become directly 9 by z plus 2 whole square. So on substituting the value of z as 1, we would get the residue as 1. So we can see that minus 1 and 1 are the residues of the function. So minus 1 is one of the residues of the above function, that is option A. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.